Listen, y'all, I'm not one to post me crying. I'm not one to even, but let me tell you something. There is a TikTok trend going around. If you got a Kia or a Hyundai, they will take your ignition apart and steal your fucking car. Here it is, 11:20. I have just got off work at 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been in the house all fucking day. I just left out my door at 10:30 to get ready for work. I do security and my fucking car is not here. There is a security lady. She calls the tow yard. The tow yard says that my car was towed not from where the fuck it was, but towed from down the fucking, almost to the exit of the fucking rent office, and that the maintenance guy chased away 4 men from my car. My ignition was torn apart. There are 2 flat tires, and now my car is at the fucking tow yard. This is a TikTok trend. So I'm just making a video so it doesn't happen to anybody else. If you have a Kia or a Hyundai Elantra, the tow yard told me they've been getting calls like crazy. Kias and Hyundai Elantras are being stolen. It is the new fucking trend.